Hi and welcome to this chapter in which we implement what we learned about databases in the previous chapter. We learned quite a bit about databases and how to use SQL. Now we're going to implement SQL in Excel VBA. So we're going to write functions that connect from Excel VBA to MySQL database. We're going to write functions that query the database and brings back data. We're going to write functions to create data in the database and to update data in the database, to do all the regular stuff that a typical program would need to do with a database. We'll wrap it up with the whole process of querying a data from the database, transferring it into an Excel table, and creating a nice chart out of that data. We're going to be doing all of that in this chapter. We're starting.